Our strategy is simple. It's purely to repair the car back to the same specifications as when the car left the factory.
Repairing a Porsche is one of the most highly skilled things I guess you can do in the body repair industry. They've always been exclusively designed to be sports cars, which means they're different to many cars in the way they're built, and therefore to repair one and to be trained to repair one and to repair it with confidence and competence really requires an awful lot of skill and integrity.
The recommended repairers are the only solution that we can offer a consistent repair service across all 15, that they're capable of repairing the multi-material vehicles, that they've got the same ethos as Porsche, and that it's more about the quality of the repair rather than the quantity of the repair.
Spraymaster was formed 17 years ago, and we've been a Porsche dealer. For 27 years we were one of the original Porsche dealerships when we started. As one of only 15 repair centres in the UK, we are very, very proud to be a Porsche recommended repairer. We achieved the standards with a great deal of training. From a customer perspective, the main benefits of using us to repair their Porsche is to ensure their car is repaired to the highest standards and to Porsche manufacturer repair specifications. This ensures that we have minimal impact on the residual value of their car when they come to sell it, and has a safe and attractive looking vehicle from the repair.
The traditional body shop craft skills do not equip body shop technicians for the complex multi-material car bodies in the Porsche range. Electronic safety systems and driver assistance systems need specific training on how to set up and calibrate after accident repair, and our specialist training program for body shop technicians gives our technicians the skill and the knowledge of how to carry out these tasks.
We now audit all of the recommended repairers annually, and then we monitor their compliance against the Porsche standard all year round to make sure that they're following the same procedures as set out by Porsche Germany. All of the recommended repairers go through quite a strict training program. They have direct access to the Porsche Training Academy, and in fact all technicians within the recommended repairers get a minimum 5 days training per year.
It's imperative that our recommended repairers are trained by Porsche, because as the people who build the cars, we know the correct processes for repairing them. Porsche Cars Great Britain are one of only 3 markets outside of the German home market that have a dedicated training program for their recommended repairers.
What customers may not realise, that after an event of an accident, it's their choice where they have the car repaired. So the simple solution is to choose a recommended repairer, where they can be confident that the car will be restored to the same factory specifications as when it rolled off the production line.
What happens under the skin of a car these days has changed unbelievably, and the tolerances on a Porsche are so tight. So if you're repairing a car, you need to make sure that the method that you're following is being done exactly to the prescribed way in which Porsche define that. We obviously make access to our repair methods to the repairers, and it's really important that they follow that really carefully to ensure that when the car is put back together, all the ways in which it was designed to perform and all the different functions and features on the car are absolutely maintained in the way they came out of the factory.
It's really important that we have consistency across all 15 body repairers. All of the facilities that we have listed are fully invested into the training equipment that we require as part of our operating standards. Those systems include workshop manuals, but also direct access to our technical department.
PWIS is a critical piece of equipment that we use to connect ourselves with both Porsche GB and Porsche Germany. From this piece of equipment we receive all the latest repair methods, technical data and system reset information. We then ensure we are correctly repairing the vehicle to manufacturer specifications and the vehicle is safe to use on the road. All our staff are trained throughout the Porsche range, from the classic cars to the very latest vehicle technology. Working on the Porsche product is something myself and my staff really enjoy.
Nobody buys a Porsche, you invest in one. One of Porsche's legacies is a huge portfolio of racing victories, and because every Porsche has its heart on the racetrack, this influence has been incorporated into the design and build of every Porsche. That's why if a car does need to have any kinds of repairs, whether they be structural or paint or cosmetic, it's just so important that whoever is carrying out those repairs them in the way Porsche designs, so that you don't compromise, first of all, the performance that you'll experience from the car, and secondly, that the car will return your investment in its value over its lifetime.